Hey, what's up YouTube? I'm back with another video, and in today's video we're going to be installing these interior lights in my Stinger.
Okay, so everything that you will need is on this table right now. You can find it all on Amazon. I'll be linking it in the description below. First thing that you will need is the light kit. Second thing that you will need is some electrical tape. Third thing that you will need is some wire cutters. Fourth thing that you will need is an add a fuse kit. And optional is a soldering iron, solder, and butt connectors. Okay, so the first thing that you'll want to do is pull out your light kit, and you want to just basically run it in the car. So you should have two sides. Every light kit is like almost the same. Two sides coming off. One will be the left, and one will be the right. And then obviously this one will be the front, go in the front, and then the one with the longest lead and no lead on the other end is for the back. So you want to go ahead and just run all of this stuff. I'm gonna set the camera up and I'm just gonna get at it, and I'll be back with more information when I'm done. Okay, so now I got everything basically ran where it needs to be. Here's the front light. Driver rear is right here. And then go to the other side. Passenger rear is right here. Get it for y'all. It's right there. Passenger front is right there. So I basically just ran it along the side of the seat. I'm going to eventually just tuck it in between the carpet and this plastic right here. It's normally how I do it. Very easy, very clean. And now we got a straight shot along this trim right here to the back right there. And one of the hardest parts about doing these lights, and it's not even that hard, it's just like the install is so easy that some part just got to be annoying, getting it attached to the seat. So I'm not going to really be able to show y'all. I mean, I'll try. So the harness, I believe that's either the fan harness or it's a harness at the bottom right along the seat right here. I literally got the light zip tied to the harness, and then I tucked the wire. I'm going to tuck the wire like that along the bottom of the seat rail, and it's going to go straight up into the front. Now obviously when the seat is back, you're not going to be able to see it, so that's why I kind of stopped like right there instead of coming all the way back. That way, once the seat is in a regular spot, it's not going to be visible. The only time it's going to be visible is like when you literally got the seat. This is as far as the seat goes forward, so you'll never be able to see it. Easy install. If you want to do it a different way, this your car, you do it a different way. But go ahead and work on the passenger side and go ahead and get this all finished up. Okay, so I got everything ran, everything stuck where it needs to be. I even put the controller right there. Put it under the dash because this kit comes with the remotes. So now we can go ahead and test it. I'm gonna hardwire it, but I just want to see how they look. So I just got into the cigarette lighter right now. So let's go ahead and see. Obviously bright outside too, so I ain't gonna go ahead and hit the button. And you can see that they're on. Now what's cool is it's gonna be hard to see in the daytime, but you can get some nighttime clips. I got the like blue accent lighting all on the doors, like the dash right here, and I can change the color of these. I plan on matching the floor with those lights, and I'm pretty sure it should look pretty good. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean up the wiring. I'm hardwire this. I mean, that should be it. I mean, it's literally that simple to put these lights in your car. So let me go ahead and do that. All right, so the next step into wiring this into your car, you gotta cut the cigarette lighter off. Go ahead and snip that back. Should be two wires in there. It's white and red. White is ground, red is power. You want to strip those back. Let me strip those back. I'm gonna do it off camera. At this point is when you'll want to add your add a fuse. I already have one added to my fuse box right here. I'm just gonna tap into that one. That's going to my radar detector. But if you ain't have one, you will basically have to find a fuse that got accessory power. You can either look it up on the internet, or you can get a multimeter and figure it out. That way the lights come on with the car instead of staying on 24/7, because you will kill your battery like that. So let me go ahead. I'm gonna go ahead and tap into this, and all we gotta do is clean up the wiring. After that, we'll be done. All right, so I tapped into my add a fuse kit that was already in the car, including the ground for my radar detector. Now you want to do this step if you don't have one in here already. Like I said, you will just put the add a fuse in,
connect it to the lights, and then find a ground source, which is normally like a little screw back here or something you can ground off of. But considering I already had this in coming from my radar detector, I just tapped in with these little splice connectors right here, and now we all wired into the car. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean all this up, and we can go ahead and wrap this up. All right, so it's finally done. Took about an hour and a half. It's not that bad of an install. If y'all got any questions, make sure to leave them in the comments below. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Appreciate y'all watching, and I'll see y'all in the next one.